Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Boom Carson episode. This is day 3 of 2023 hunt season. First week saw absolutely nothing. A whole lot of nothing. Hopefully that changes this week. It is a balmy 30 degrees, going to be mid-40s this week, so don't know how that's going to have a play on the deer, but hopefully they get some up and moving. I know one thing, I won't be freezing. It is currently 10:36. Haven't seen a single thing. That's all I've been looking at. Absolutely nothing. Just want to talk about my YouTube channel real quick because, well, for one, this is a very eventful hunt. A whole lot of action. Wow, okay. Them birds, you probably saw that. I don't know if you heard or not, but them suckers were moving. Anyways, yeah, this is a very eventful hunt. Whole lot of action. I don't know if I'm gonna have to do a two-parter or not. There's so much, but I'm kidding. I just want to talk about my channel real quick, partially because I need content, need stuff to do for this video. If you're wondering, there is going to be more Farming Simulator videos coming out. Kind of just want to get away from that for a while because that's all I've been posting probably about a month ago. There is definitely going to be more gaming coming up soon after hunting, so I'm sorry if you guys are bored with the hunt videos, but I promise that there will be different stuff coming up in the future. As for the BB gun videos, I will be making more of those. I'm just getting a hodgepodge of targets to shoot, seeing what stuff, or trying to think of some stuff, find some stuff, what would be a cool, interesting video that a BB gun could probably go through or not. But, yeah, that's currently the situation of my channel, so yeah, I'd probably still be doing BB gun videos during the winter, out in the snow. But yeah, I just wanted to. There goes another flock of birds. Yeah, just wanted to talk about my channel real quick. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be deer hunting, maybe I should be bird hunting. There's like 3 flocks that just flew over my head. YouTube channel. That's what's going on with it right now. There's definitely gonna be different content coming up soon, so don't get bored. I am currently in Biggie and Shaden Stand. It is 12:37. I'm going to sit here till 1. And then I'm just going to start moving around. I was moving around about an hour before I got here. Didn't see a single thing. As usual. I moved back to my spot for 45 minutes. And then that would make I don't know, I got my times all confused. Either way. Sat there for a little while, and then I just got here, so that's where we're at. Obviously, there's a scrape. Back here's a scrape. And then there. 3 scrapes in one spot, probably a single. Right there's one. And right there's one. And I didn't walk that far at all. All them deer are definitely in there. Definitely. So thick, nothing can really go up in there. So that's where they're probably all hiding. So this road leads to the front of Dad and Shaden's stand. I just walked clear down to the end of this road. And just doubled back and walked, well, obviously back to where I started. And I believe this way leads out into the front of my stand. So I'm going to walk this way. I still have yet to see anything though. Hopefully I see something soon. Fingers crossed. Right there would be my pap stand. And then I'm like right up in there. This is how thick it is down here. So I've never seen something like this before. I just made it to the other side of that clearing where my pap and I sit. I've never seen one on a tree that big. Here's my hand for size comparison. I've never seen one on a tree that big. I don't think it's fresh. No, I don't think. Yeah, it ain't fresh. But that is a good sign though. And then right over here is another one. So that's a good sign. So I was just walking along this trail, just looking around, and I found this. Does anyone know what this is from? If I had to guess, maybe a hawk. That's what I'm guessing. But either way, that's a big old bird. So I'm back on a trail where I started off this morning walking. I forgot that it looped around from in front of my pap to where I'm at now. It is currently 2:15. I'm probably just gonna sit in the stand for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna see anything at all. I have made it back to the stand. I'm probably going to sit here for the remainder of the day. I brought the hawk feather with me. Maybe it'll give me some luck, hopefully. Well, I am on the trail to my paps stand. I'm literally right up there. I heard a bunch of leaf commotion over to the left. Thought I'd sneak down, and it's already gone. So, that was probably the closest to a deer I've gotten the whole season. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today's episode. Got 2 more days of hunting left. Doubt I will see anything, but might as well go because don't want to waste 2 perfectly good days. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's episode, and I will see you all next time.